Let's drive down to the eastern part of Nigeria today. Let me show you how I make my Oha soup the simplest way. I started off with stockfish. Add the stockfish to your soup pot and then add in some water to slightly cover and then bring to a boil for 15 minutes. After that, add in your mackerel or any iced fish of your choice. Go ahead and season the fish with some stock cubes, salt, chopped onions, and crushed Scotch bonnet pepper. After 5 minutes, the fish has cooked and is ready. Go ahead and separate the fish from the broth and then set that aside for later use. Add more water to the stock to increase it. Then go in with your okpe. Okpe is also known as fermented locust beans. You will also need to add in your blended cocoyam. Bring in your boiled meat, palm oil, and then gently mix to combine nicely. Place a lid over and bring the soup to a simmer on medium heat for 15 minutes. This will help the cocoyam to dissolve nicely while it simmers. Next, add in your ground crayfish, more pepper, some stock cubes, and more salt to taste. Give the soup a nice stir and make sure everything is nicely incorporated. Place the lid over and allow this to simmer again for 5 minutes. At this point, I would like to add in a few pieces of onions and then also go in with uziza leaves for flavor. This is also the perfect time to go in with your washed oha leaves. Give the soup a stir and add more palm oil if needed. Just to let you know, you can also use banga to make your oha soup. After you have done that, you can test your soup and adjust for any other seasoning if needed. Allow the soup to simmer for a few more minutes until everything is well incorporated, the cocoyam is well dissolved. But once you are happy with the taste of your soup, you can bring in your cooked fish towards the end. If you don't mind, you can stir your soup again and again. So guys, this is it. Are you gonna be giving this a try very soon? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Have a wonderful day. Bye.